Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to show pivot table data in tabular form. Here is a employees reports and I want to generate the pivot table report from this data. First select all your data and go to the insert. Here you will find the option pivot table. Just click here and click OK. It will create the pivot table report in new worksheet. Now drag the employees name into the rows. It will display all the employees record, and drag the department into rows also. It will display all the departments, and drag the designation into the rows also. It will display the designation, and drag the salary into the sum values. It will display all the salaries. Now here is a pivot table report and I want to change this report format. How can we change this report format? Just go to the design. Here you will find the option report layout and select the show in tabular form. It will display your pivot table report in tabular form. Now I don't want to show the subtotal. Just click subtotal and don't show subtotals. Here is a report. That's way you can show your data in tabular form. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.